Most people fail in business not because their idea was bad, but because they never killed it fast enough. They spend weeks, months, even years, tweaking logos, writing business plans, watching motivation videos at 2 a.m. on an idea that was dead from day one. Here's what I've learned after analyzing over 100 failed businesses. A good idea doesn't need hope. It needs proof, and proof can show up in 26 minutes. Not 26 days, not 26 hours, 26 minutes. Today, I'm giving you something I've never shared before. I call it the broke filter. It's 3 questions. Ruthless, uncomfortable, designed to kill your idea fast so you don't kill your bank account slowly. If your idea survives all 3, start within 24 hours. Let's go. Question 1, the stranger test. Would a complete stranger who owes me nothing pay me for this before I build anything? Not, would they like it? Would they pull out their wallet right now based on just a description? Most people fail here. They confuse interest with payment. Someone saying great idea while walking away is interest. Payment hurts. Here's your 10-minute test. Go to a Facebook group, Reddit, or WhatsApp where your customers hang out. Write this: I'm thinking of solving. If I fix it in for, would you pay right now? Yes or no only. Get 3 yes from strangers in 10 minutes. Your idea passes. Get 0? Kill it now. Question 2, the embarrassment filter. Am I willing to look stupid in public while selling this? What kills most entrepreneurs isn't lack of skill. It's ego. They spend $2,000 on a website before making $200. Design a logo before hearing one customer complaint. The broke filter says no. If you're not embarrassed by your first offer, you waited too long. Here's your 5-minute test. Record a 60-second video on your phone. Bad lighting, no editing. Say, I'm testing something. It might fail, but here's what I'm trying to solve for you. Comment, test if this helps. Post to Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Strangers comment or DM you. Your idea has heat. 0 engagement? Kill it. The fear of looking stupid has kept more smart people poor than lack of intelligence ever has. Question 3, the survival test. Will this idea still work if AI gets 2 times better and attention spans get 2 times shorter? Most ideas today are fragile. They depend on cheap ads and skills AI will replace. Here's your 6-minute test. Ask, what part of this can AI do? Remove that part. Is your offer still valuable? Example, a social media caption writing service. AI already does that. Dead. But a strategy service that uses AI to write captions while you provide human insight and emotion, that survives. If your idea can be fully replaced by a $20 per month AI tool, it's not a business. It's a hobby. Kill it now. What if your idea survives past all 3 questions? Congratulations. You now have a validated, ego-free, future-proof idea. Within 24 hours, sell it to 1 person manually, not through a website. DM someone, call someone, walk into a local business, say, I'm testing something new. I'll give you result. If I don't deliver, you don't pay. Deal? Get 1 yes, deliver manually, then systemize later. That's how broke people become wealthy. Not by waiting for perfect, by acting on proof. Most people will watch this, nod, and do nothing. Don't be most people. Right now, run your idea through the broke filter. 3 questions, 26 minutes total. If it dies, good, you save money. If it survives, start today. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more uncomfortable truths about building wealth. See you in the next one.